Imagine waking up to the sound of waves crashing on a tropical beach or sipping your morning coffee in a bustling European cafe. You open up your laptop to get started with work, take a little break for lunch, then move to another beautiful spot before resuming work, head home by dinner time, and call it a productive day. Tomorrow, you might just do the same. You own your time, you can choose to work wherever you like, and the remote responsibilities you have seem to be less stressful, rather more freeing. That, my friends, is what it's like to live a digital nomad lifestyle. Now you may ask, how do people actually make a living doing this? Hey there, welcome back to RCE Finance Guide. Today we're going to dive into one of the most exciting lifestyles out there, the digital nomad lifestyle, which is similar to the one we shared earlier. If you've ever dreamt of being your boss, working at any time you want, and are curious about how you can earn a living from anywhere in the world, then stick around because this video is definitely about to answer that. Grab your pen and notepad and be ready to take notes because we are just about to get started. The digital nomad. So you may be wondering, what exactly is a digital nomad? Well, friends, a digital nomad is someone who uses technology to work remotely. This means they can earn an income while traveling the world and living in different places. This could be by a tropical beach with crashing waves, a train bound to Italy from Greece, or watching sunsets from the breathtaking mountaintops of Switzerland, all while earning a living. The digital nomad lifestyle offers the freedom to work from anywhere while exploring the world. Sounds like a dream, right? Although it may seem too good to be true, it's definitely possible since many others have been doing the same as well. With determination and the right set of skills, you can make it your reality too. Rise of digital nomadism. In today's rapidly evolving digital age, the concept of work has undergone a significant transformation. The rise of remote work and digital connectivity has not only paved the way for the digital nomad movement, but this also made the traditional 9-to-5 office job is no longer the only option for earning a living. Thanks to the advent of technology, it is now possible to lead a nomadic lifestyle where you'll be able to work while traveling, experiencing new cultures, and creating a harmonious blend of work and adventure. And with its rapid growth among various populations, at this point, gone are the days of being tied to a desk in a traditional office. How to get started as a digital nomad. If you're considering embracing the digital nomad lifestyle, here are 6 essential tips to keep in mind. 1. Choose your niche. First things first. Becoming a digital nomad requires a set of skills that will make you valuable in the online job market. That's why from the very start, you must identify a skill or profession that can be done remotely and can draw you lots of success with minimal effort. Additionally, having some marketable skills will make you stand out from the crowd. Take some time to learn a skill that aligns with your interests. Whether it's programming, web design, digital marketing, writing, graphic design, or even online tutoring, the possibilities are endless. One of the most popular ways to earn a living as a digital nomad is through freelancing. With platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer, you can showcase your skills and connect with clients from all over the globe. Another option is starting an online business. From e-commerce to dropshipping, the internet has opened doors for entrepreneurs to create their own successful ventures without being tied to a specific location. And don't forget about blogging and vlogging. This is one of the best and most popular ways digital nomads generate their income. Sharing your adventures and expertise can attract a loyal audience and open up opportunities for sponsorships and collaborations. Surely, with your travel frequencies through living a digital nomad lifestyle, you just can't miss out on the chance to vlog or blog about your travel experiences, which is another great bonus to the list. 2. Build a strong online presence. Second most important thing. If you want to venture into the world of digital nomading, you need to establish a strong online presence. Showcase your skills and expertise through an online portfolio or social media, or create your own website or blog. Share your passion and knowledge with engaging content that will attract potential clients and employers. Don't forget to optimize your site for search engines to increase your visibility. Building a strong online presence and networking with others in your field will also help you find opportunities and form valuable connections. 3. Plan your finances. Now, let's talk about money. To embark on this exciting journey, it's crucial to plan your finances wisely. Ensure that you have a stable financial plan to sustain your travels and work. Create a budget that allows you to save enough money to cover your initial expenses and build an emergency fund. Remember, as a digital nomad, your income might fluctuate, so it's essential to have a financial cushion to fall back on during lean times. You can also explore digital tools and apps that can help you track your expenses and manage your budget efficiently. 4. Embrace minimalism. Living as a digital nomad means embracing a minimalist lifestyle. Besides the obvious benefit of traveling light, minimalism helps you focus on what truly matters, freeing your mind from unnecessary clutter. Before you hit the road, declutter your physical and digital spaces, selling or donating items you no longer need. Embrace minimalistic habits, such as practicing mindfulness, reducing waste, and purchasing only the essentials. Pack light and focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Trust us, less truly is more. 5. Stay organized. Organization is key when you're juggling work, travel, and exploration. Invest in a reliable backpack or luggage that's both durable and fits your needs. Keep your digital workspace organized by utilizing productivity tools and apps to manage your work and schedule efficiently, such as cloud storage and project management tools. Prioritize your tasks, set realistic deadlines, and create a routine that helps you maintain a healthy work-life balance. Remember, staying organized is the secret to staying sane while on the move. 6. Research your destinations. Last but not least, before setting foot in a new location, make sure to do your research. Learn about the culture, customs, visa requirements, cost of living, and internet availability of the countries you plan to visit. Look for reliable accommodation options that suit your budget and preferences. Connect with fellow digital nomads and local communities online to gain valuable insights and tips. Engaging in thorough research ensures a smooth transition and allows you to make the most of your adventures. Endless opportunities of nomadism. Now let's talk about the benefits of nomadism. Living a digital nomad lifestyle brings with it a plethora of benefits. Here are a few of them. Freedom and flexibility. Firstly, one of the most appealing aspects of the digital nomad lifestyle is the flexibility it offers. The freedom to work from anywhere allows you to explore new cultures, experience diverse environments, and create a life rich in adventures. You can choose your working hours, allowing you to explore your surroundings during off-peak times. This flexibility not only enhances your productivity, but also promotes a healthier work-life balance by giving you a chance to break free from the monotonous 9-to-5 routine and design your own schedule. Lower cost of living. Apart from the freedom and flexibility, the digital nomad lifestyle also offers various other benefits. One of the most significant advantages is the potential for a lower cost of living. Digital nomads can choose to live in countries where the cost of living is significantly lower while earning a salary from a higher-paying country, enabling them to stretch their income further and potentially save more money. This financial advantage can contribute to a higher quality of life and increased personal fulfillment. Imagine living in paradise while having financial stability. Talk about the best of both worlds. Cultural immersion. Living in new places allows you to immerse yourself in different cultures. You can taste local cuisines, learn new languages, and form connections that broaden your perspective. This cultural enrichment can be a source of inspiration that positively impacts your work, personal and professional growth. Additionally, the digital nomad lifestyle provides opportunities for personal and professional growth. Living in different countries and experiencing diverse cultures can broaden one's perspective and enhance skills such as adaptability, problem-solving, and cross-cultural communication. These skills are highly valued in today's globalized world and can significantly enhance one's employability. Challenges and strategies for success. While the digital nomad lifestyle offers a lot of incredible opportunities, it also presents certain challenges that individuals need to be aware of. Unreliable internet connections, adapting to varying time zones, and finding suitable work environments can be hurdles. One of the primary challenges is maintaining a stable income. Freelancing and remote work opportunities are often project-based, requiring digital nomads to secure consistent work to sustain their lifestyle. Developing a strong network, diversifying income streams, and building a solid portfolio are essential strategies for ensuring a steady income. Another challenge is maintaining work-life balance. Without the structure of a traditional office environment, it can be challenging to separate work from personal life. Creating a dedicated workspace, setting boundaries, and establishing a routine are crucial for achieving a healthy work-life balance as a digital nomad. However, with careful planning and the right tools, these challenges can be minimized. Taking other actions like connecting with fellow digital nomads can provide a strong sense of community. Attending meetups, joining online forums, and networking with like-minded individuals can offer insights, solutions to common problems, and even potential collaborations. And there you have it, friends, a glimpse into the exciting world of being a digital nomad. Now, you know that the digital nomad lifestyle provides an exciting opportunity for individuals to earn a living from anywhere in the world. The freedom, flexibility, and potential for personal and professional growth make it an attractive choice for many. From freelancing to starting your own online business, the opportunities are endless. But it is also important to acknowledge the challenges that come with this lifestyle. By carefully planning and building the necessary skills, you too can successfully navigate the digital nomad lifestyle and enjoy the many benefits it has to offer. So, if you are seeking a life of adventure, flexibility, and independence on your own terms, the digital nomad lifestyle might just be the right choice for you. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it informative and inspiring, give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment below to share your thoughts or experience if you're a digital nomad as well. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more exciting content. Safe travels and happy nomading!